Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to easily schedule items so you can control sales based on specific days and time. Head over to the item schedule by using the Smart Search. Once you're there, click on the Add button. You can start by entering a description for your schedule. For example, you could either type wine or alcohol restrictions. Next, you'll define the schedule. At the top, you'll see a 24-hour time format. To apply restrictions, simply click and drag across the grid to select specific time slots. For example, if you want to restrict sales on Sundays, select the entire Sunday row. Or you can choose specific hours on any day, depending on your requirements. Once your schedule is set, head on over to Add Items tab. Over here, you can add items in two ways. You can either scan or enter the barcode directly. Or you could even use the filter option to search and select the items. For example, you can filter it by either selecting wine or alcohol products. After applying the filter, select the items you want to include in this schedule. Once you've selected your items, click Save. This will apply the restrictions to those items based on the time frame you selected. After saving, the schedule will automatically apply to your POS. This ensures that selected items cannot be sold during restricted times. And there you go. Your item schedule is now set up. Pretty simple, right? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can stay updated with Cronysoft's videos. I'll see you guys in our next module.